Welcome to DIY by NZ Guy. Hey comrades, today's little project is sorting out the multitude of screws that I have. Quite often I have a project to do and I need to screw in some screws, obviously to hold the material together, and because I've got all sorts of sizes, I don't have to run to the shop to find the right one. All I have to do is go through the garage, one shelf at a time, go through everything and find them. So today we're going to try and fix that. What we're going to do is we're going to try our best to sort it out. As you can see, all sorts of different sizes are everywhere. There's no particular order. Luckily I already pre-started on this project for a bit and got some sorted. Just looking back at my good old days when I had the foresight, I found some cheap screws, 70 mils long. The shaft is 5 mil with a thread, 3 mil without the thread. Head is 10 mil. It's a Phillips one, and there's 70 in this box, so I already divided it. Tape is getting old, so that's what's getting crusty. And that's how they look. So if I've got a project going, I can just grab one of these little boxes, and if I need to use one of these, I just use it. The quality isn't that good, but I did get heaps of them for what I paid, and which is great. Turns out great. So if you got a little project, a shaft you're gonna assemble, and you're gonna need 100 screws, you're not gonna run to the shop, find them, and pay 15 bucks for it. I think those ones worked out $25 for 1,000. So I did get a good deal. Again, it was a foresight, and yeah, I'm just trying to go through all this, trying to sort it. What my plan is to just have about 3, maybe 5 of these boxes with the screws. As you can see, all sorts of sizes, stainless steel, nice and bulky. So when you got a project to do, you can just go in, find what the size you need, what type you need, because sometimes you need them to be outside, so you definitely need like stainless steel or something of that nature. Sometimes you want them nice and long. Sometimes you got just the small batches of these unique ones. These ones, yeah, got different drives. Obviously this one no good, but still, if you got like a little project and you need just to fix it up. For example, I'll have a project coming up where I'll need these tiny ones. Who would have thought that you need these little ones in this little baggie? Normally you just chuck them away, don't need them. But if you keep them, like me, eventually you find a use for it, which is great. So yeah, kitty cup with bolts. The bolts just go in there for now. And yeah, so stay tuned and I'll update you how I'm going on this little project. The project has yielded some results. Going through, never have enough of these, and these are bloody expensive at the shops. 10-15 bucks I've seen, and it's just a simple piece of metal and plastic. Man, what a rip-off. And this one is 2 New Zealand rubles. Cool. So we'll pocket that. Screws and more screws. Whoa, what's this? Jam, still left. Alright, let's have a quick look what kind of jam it is. Sorry, just doing this one-handed, but I'm used to it. Oh my gosh, this is crusty. I don't think any of these are usable, eh? Alright, focus you. Wow. Oh well, a bit of a waste. So yeah, still the way I'm gonna work is gonna have the empty containers here. Gonna see if I can find, if I find good lots, I keep them together, or otherwise I just try to break them apart into smaller lots. I do have a couple of them mixers one, which I'm gonna go through and just pick out the sets and put them together. Like I've got a little bit of like these ones. These are fantastic. If you've got like a little project and you find I need just a few, you just find the ones that suit the best out of the box, like that, like teeny ones. These are not rust resistant, so not something I need at the moment. And yeah, you just grab them and go. Also, just at the bottom, yeah, it's a little box, but you need to find a better box. Can't see from the top what they are, and I don't want to lift up every box every time. And these ones, stainless steel, yeah, perfect. Stainless steel. And these ones, nice and long, 75mm, 10G square. Awesome. So yeah, the project is yielding some results, and hopefully, yeah, I can tidy up. Already threw away plenty of containers. Just need to keep going and get this done. See you shortly. Alright, it's going pretty good. Managed to find some similarities. These are all the same ones. And look at that, I freed up 3 boxes. All plastic containers, which is great. So I've only got 1, 2, that's not even screws, that's just miscellaneous. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe fit all these into number 5. These are not it. Empty. So yeah, and then we're pretty much done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll see what we can do, eh? Just manage into 5 and then we can call it success. Just a quick update on the screw sorting thing. Just using these containers and the shelves to sort out my stuff. It's coming in pretty handy. Okay, as you can see, just using the milk cartons to sort all sort of stuff. Haven't sorted them all out, just heaps of work to go, but just easy. For example, I got broken drill bits. Just chuck them into one of these, and you know that when you have time, you can do something and sharpen them. Can find them all in one place. Hence, I've been saving them up. Hey, what a treasure! Yep. Since kids drink milk anyway, you do have plenty of bottles left. Just wash it with bleach, dry it out a bit, cut it off, dry it with some paper towels. Done. You have a container. Another one, another, and they're all kinda decent. They last a while. You're not afraid to throw them away. Sadly, they are not see-through. Or at least I think they're not. Nah, I'm just kidding. So yeah, they're quite milky, but you can see things from the top fairly easy. You know, I've been sorting some stuff, and it's just easier to put things in a container and then know, okay, so I got screws like these ones. Yeah, okay, chuck them in. Next size down, yep, chuck them in. And then once you put them away, you can write something on there, say screws this size, screws that size, and then when you go looking for them, you can easier find it. So just a little tip: if you're drinking plenty of milk, or you got access to some bottles, yeah, just save them, cut them, keep them in your garage, because they're always coming useful for all sorts of small things. Maybe it's just me, but I try to keep things organized, but who has the time for it, eh? Thanks for watching, guys. This has been DIY by NZguy. Hope you have learned something. Hit the like button.